I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
What it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be breaking down Facebook. Okay, Facebook stock has a lot going on right now. They had an amazing day. Let's see how much they're up for the day. Okay, so the stock is currently sitting at $355.80 as I'm recording this. It's about 30 minutes after hours, and you know, they had a great day. Okay, they're up 4% for the day. They had a sharp upturn, right? And here is why. Okay, so let's hop into this article. We're going to break it down a little bit and see what's going on with Facebook stock. And I'll break it down simply so that you guys can understand how the news has affected the stock price. Okay, so it says Facebook stock hits an all-time high after the judge dismisses FTC complaints. All right, so let's hop into what they're actually saying about this. Okay, it says, in a significant legal win for Facebook, a U.S. District Court judge dismissed parallel antitrust complaints against the company that has been filed by the Federal Trade Commission and a group of attorneys. All right, so what happened is there was complaints that Facebook was, violating certain antitrust laws. Now, I'm gonna break down what are antitrust laws. I had to look it up, and so I'm gonna give you guys insight on what that is. So antitrust laws are statutes developed by governments to protect consumers from predatory business practices and ensure that there's fair competition. All right, so let me just break that down simply. All right, so antitrust laws are built so that consumers are not getting robbed and businesses can't, take all the power. Okay, that's what they're saying Facebook is trying to do, which is kind of true. Facebook is one of those sharks, those whales, right? The wolves. Okay, they're making sure that they eat. And what do they do and how do they do this? So if Facebook sees that they have a competitor, what they do is they buy out the competitor. All right, so they bought Instagram in 2012. They bought WhatsApp. All right, so Facebook is just acquiring all these companies so that they no longer have competition. Okay, they're competing with themselves. They're owning all these companies, so they have no one to compete with. And so that's what struck the courts to say, all right, Facebook is doing something here. That's what they're saying is wrong. All right. Another word to bring up is anti-competitive, right? And that's tending to stifle or suppress competition. That's what they're saying Facebook is doing. They're saying it's not right. All right. So in court today, they just dismissed the complaints that Facebook was doing so. And it had a sharp, benefit to the stock price. Like I said, it's up over 4%, but Facebook has been killing it. All right. And let me show you guys what I mean by that. All right. So Facebook, let's look at the 3-month chart. 3-month chart, Facebook is up about $70, and that's a 24%, increase for the past 3 months. I've been holding this stock since about the beginning of the year, January 2021, and that's when I started doing long-term investing into Facebook, right? I only have 2.5 shares, but I am up a large amount on this play, but this is the holding that I have the most profit in, guys. Okay, so I only have 2.5 shares. This takes up about 14% of my portfolio, and I am up $217 on this play. And say this was only since the beginning of the year, so that's about 6 months. That is a great return, and I'm up 32%, almost 33% on this play, guys. So Facebook has been killing it, and a lot of people have not been noticing it, right? So keep that in mind. And with a sharp upturn, make sure that you understand that when there's, sharp increases in prices, there's room for it to come back down. All right. So you don't want to buy at that top. But another thing that I also do with Facebook is I dollar cost average. What do I mean by that? So if I want to invest $1,000 into Facebook, I break it up over a period of time. I might do $5 a day, or I might do $10 a day here. So I'm breaking it up over time, and that has really benefited me in, my position in Facebook. Okay, so I just wanted to do a brief breakdown of what's going on with Facebook and, what's really going on with that. Another thing that Facebook did is they crossed $1 trillion in market cap. All right, so once they had that sharp increase in price, they, hit over $1 trillion in market cap for the first time. It looks like a lot of these FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, all those have been doing pretty well. Okay, guys, so keep that in mind. And I expect the market to run up all the way through August. Okay, we might see some short dips temporarily, but I feel like the market will run up all the way through August. And then in September, we will see some correction time. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to give a brief overview of what's going on with Facebook, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I have a lot more updates on what's going on with these stocks. Okay, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. So let's get it and let's go.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.